Jamaica Cricket Association Chief Executive Officer Courtney Francis says Stephanie Taylor's nomination for the RJRGleaner Sports Foundation Sports Woman of the Year award is big for the sport locally, even if she does not win the top prize.
Sports awards are nothing new to West Indies captain Stephanie Taylor, having won several since making her international debut in 2008. The 27-year-old has been named West Indies Women's Player of the Year on more than one occasion, and it's no different internationally. She was ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year in 2011. 12 months later, she picked up the award for the ICC Women's One-Day Player of the Year. In 2015, she was awarded the ICC Women's T20 Player of the Year, but the RJR award has been elusive. But despite missing out on the RJRGleaner award, JCA CEO Courtney Francis says Taylor's nomination is still a proud moment for the association.
Well, we're happy. Stephanie has been a standout for us for many, many years. She has been an inspiration for a number of female, right? So not just in Jamaica, but right around the world. She has been outstanding, and noticeably she has been a nominee for many years in succession, which means that she has been performing, at a high level globally for an extended period. So we're very proud of her. We think that her nomination is significant too, in that cricket has been a dominant sport for the region for a number of years, and she's just cementing that for us.
Between December 30, 2017 and December 30, 2018, Taylor played 6 one-day games, 3 each against New Zealand and South Africa. While not scoring a century, the West Indies captain made 254 runs at an average of 50.80 with a top score of 90. She also took 7 wickets, with 3 for 37 against South Africa, her best bowling figures. In T20 cricket, she bagged career best figures of 4 for 12 against the South Africans at the ICC Women's T20 World Cup, a feat that Francis feels will have a lasting impact.
Inspirational in that a number of young women would now gravitate towards the game, and in particular, seeing that West Indies just hosted a successful T20 Women's Tournament, which is the first standalone in the event, and West Indies did fairly well. So we are elated, and we are just keeping our fingers crossed that she'll be successful by winning the thing after so many entrances.
The RJRGleaner Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Gala will be held on January 18 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Live coverage will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and OneSpotMedia.com.